Hello everyone, Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wearable Wednesday. I am so glad you're here with me today. I have a couple of things that I want to show you. Let's see. Desiree, she's wearing a shawl that I made about a year and a half ago. So just wanted to dress her up just a little bit. But I've made some progress on my top. Things have been nuts around here, so I have not. What did I do with it? I have not been working on my top as much as I would like. Okay, I'm losing it. I just had it in my hand. Hold on a minute, guys. Where did I lay my top? Oh, here we go. Sorry. I laid it over there and forgot that I'd laid it down. Oh, but like I said, I worked on it some last night, but I haven't had a chance to really work on it a lot because of just stuff happening with the family and everything else. So, yeah, good stuff, nothing bad, just busy. So, wanted to come on and show this to you. And let me fix something here real quick. There we go. So, I've added, I was using the Ferris wheel. Let's see, Wild Violets, Ferris wheel, Wild Violets from Lion Brand. This one right here. And so I've been adding it to the bottom, but I thought it would look pretty to put a little bit around the top on the neckline. And so here it is around the neckline. I just thought it dressed it up a little bit, broke up the color. And then here's the bottom. Ta-da! It's looking so good. And so I want to take that Ferris wheel and I want to do the same thing on the sleeves and bring those sleeves in a little bit more. So I've stopped on the body and I did the collar last night and I'm doing the sleeves next because this is the last cake of it that I have and I want to make sure I've got enough. So for the sleeves, so I'm going to do the sleeves. Then it depends on how much I have of this left over if I continue the bottom. But I'll put it on real quick and you can see where that's going. Ooh, there we go. I'm really loving this. I really am. So here's where we are so far. Now, as far as the sleeves, they need to come in. It's too much of a gap. So I am going to be closing that in as I work on the sleeves. That's going to get closed in because it's just too much of a gap right there for me anyway. But it's coming together. This is about to my waist. Let me lean this down. I just got this here to mark that this is the front of my top. But here's the waist. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to have enough for the sleeves, but I think I want to take this pink and the merino wool. I want to take this pink and I want to make granny squares and just do a band of granny squares around the bottom. That's what I'm thinking. So you tell me what you think. What do you think that's a good idea? I saw that on another video or a picture of a crochet top where they had done granny squares along the bottom. And I thought that was really, really pretty. So that's what I think I'm going to do. And I've got, like I said, I showed this the other day, the 100 crochet tiles. I was thinking about possibly picking one of these. I'm not sure. Now, this first one called Hera, Hera, could be a possibility. But I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I'm going to have to look through these and just see. I don't want to do just your normal run-of-the-mill granny square. I want to do something different. But I really am liking the top. I love how it's coming out. And I absolutely love this part right here. I think if I did this top again, I would do the whole thing in this stitch. The whole thing would be like this. And you never know. I think I might just design a sweater with this stitch in it. I really like it. But you guys tell me what you think so far. Like I said, the purple is going to be continued on the sleeve. And then granny squares across the bottom. But I love, love, love this pattern for a top that Crystal from Hook That Yarn did. I absolutely love it. And I am definitely going to be using this pattern again. But like I said, I am going to have to cinch this in because the sleeves are just too floppy and bulky. So I am going to cinch this in as I make the sleeves. They're a little bit too big of an opening. But anywho, this is what I've made. And I wanted to show you something else that I worked on. Let me see if I can find, where did I put the book? Right here. I think it was in this one. And I better look again before I say that. Actually, I think I left the pattern downstairs. I don't believe I brought it up here. No, that's not it. Let me look at this last tab here. Nope, it's not in this one. It's the work basket, and it was from 1989. Yep, I didn't bring it up here. But they had the cutest shawl in there from 1989, and it just called for said to use a worsted weight yarn. So that's what I did. And I need to block it because it's not laying flat, so I've got to steam it. But look, how pretty is that? And see how the bottom, this part down here is not laying, is curling up. So I've got to steam this so the bottom will be flat. But is that not a pretty shawl? And let's see, I can put it on. It's a pretty good size. And just, something that I can, sometimes our church building in the wintertime gets cold. I mean, they put the heat on, but sometimes it's just a little chilly in there. So I think this will be pretty. But I love that. So that was one of my first things for the 80s. out of my 80s patterns. And I thought it was really pretty. They just called it a lace shawl. Or a lace wrap, maybe is what they called it. But yeah, I need to steam block it, and I'll be doing that soon. So, just wanted to come on and share with you, my top and the progress I'm making. It's just about done. The sleeves are not going to take me that long, and the sleeves won't take that long, and the bottom with the granny squares, that's not going to take long either. So probably next week I'll have this finished. But I love it. I can't wait to get it done. And I'm not sure what my next wearable is going to be, but next week I'll let you know what my next wearable is going to be. A lot going on for the month of October. Today is the 27th. So counting today, 4 days to reach 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we're at 905 right now. We're so close. I can't even. We are so close. And the watch hours, 520 watch hours away from 4,000. So if you know anyone that has not subscribed to Critters Crochet and you think they would love this channel, please let them know. Let them know about this channel so they can be a part of it. And yeah, so I'm so excited. I cannot believe it's been, I can't believe it's this close. And I got a lot of good responses back as far as the Spirit Week that Shannon is doing from the Spoonie Stitcher. I've got somebody that's already working on stuff, so I can't wait. I'm going to be showing those pictures that week when they finish. Um, so yeah, lots, guys. There's so much, like I've said, there's so much that I have planned for October, and especially when we reach our 1,000 subscribers. There's so much that I've got planned that I want to do. So thanks for all your support again. If you are new to this channel and you just stumbled upon it today and you've watched it all the way through, thank you so much. You do not know how much that helps this channel when you watch my videos all the way through. And it also helps to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. I've got a giveaway that I'm doing my birthday week next month. And I'm also doing a giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So you don't want to miss out on that giveaway. So I will let you guys go. I just wanted to pop on and show you some of the things I've been working on. And I will see you tomorrow for Things We're Making Thursday, where I will be able to reveal to you guys the project for October. You are absolutely going to love it. It is adorable, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So I will talk to you again tomorrow. I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Love you lots. Thanks again for all your support. And I'm in love with our group. I love each and every one of you guys. And it's just going to be great. I cannot wait to see what the future holds for Critters Crochet and with all of you guys. I love you. I honestly and truly mean it. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys. I forgot to mention something. Totally forgot. Tomorrow, and I'm hoping this will really help the watch hours to get up there, and we'll see what it does. If it's a success, I will do this more often. But tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Central, I am going to come on here live. Now, I've got to fiddle with it because I noticed some people will have it where it schedules the live. Maybe you schedule it just like you do a regular video when you schedule a video. I don't know, but I'm going to play around with it and see what happens. But I hope you will join me tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Central. Grab your project to work on, something to drink, maybe even a little snack, and let's just have some fun talking. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to be showing, I'm going to show you the hooks that I have that I use and talk about those hooks. I was going to do a comparison a long time ago and just have not got around to it, but I thought this would be a good time to do that. And as I'm showing the hooks, what I'd love for you guys to do is I want you to be a part of the chat. I want us to talk together, but maybe since it's the first live, maybe do like a little get to know me. If there's things that you wonder about me and want to know more about me to get to know me better, ask those questions in the live chat and that'll give us something to talk about. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Things We're Making Thursday, and then tomorrow evening at 8 p.m. Central for our first live. So talk to you soon. Love you lots, and I'll see you tomorrow.